Hi, mommy friends. Welcome to my channel, Danielle's Perfect Home. On my channel, I discuss everything homeschool and homemaking. If that is any interest to you, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. Hey, mommy friends. To those of you who are already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for returning. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. What are you waiting on? I'm quite sure I have content on my channel that you will absolutely love. Today, mommy friends, I have a co-op homeschool haul for you, mommy friends. So I've just realized that I had to purchase curriculum for my son for his co-op classes, and I'm going to fill you in on our co-op journey and experience in this video as well, while I am doing an unboxing for you, mommy friends. So I have curriculum from Christian books, and then I have another company. I can't think of the company right now, but I will let you, mommy friends, know that once I am opening up the boxes. Alrighty, so I'm going to open up the Christian book box first. I hope you, mommy friends, have been doing amazing. I'm quite sure by the time you see this video, we will have already started schooling already. I am kind of on summer break still a little bit, but I am still trying to film videos for you, mommy friends. So yeah, because I just love making content. Okay, so as I open this box, so far for the co-op, our co-op experience have been a little bit, I'm going to say, it's not what I thought it would be going into it. So originally I told you, mommy friends, that they ended up moving buildings. So they finally moved buildings. They had an orientation. I went to two orientations now. I went to, I guess, the first one I went to, I guess I wasn't supposed to went to. Okay, and then the second one was for new families. I did go to a new family orientation, and it wasn't even an orientation. Like, what in the world? It wasn't even an orientation. It was just like a meeting for them to get to know, I guess, the owners who started the co-op. Girl. So we did that, and then I had my son today. I'm thinking like we was going to meet the teachers, do all the stuff. No, we ended up doing that, and we ended up a wrap. Now he has another orientation happening at the end of August. I think at the end of August, and then that's when he met his teachers and all this other stuff. Okay, so billing has came out since then. I had dropped one class. We dropped Spanish and added another course. We dropped Spanish and added on grammar and writing. My husband and I agreed that since my son is having a hard time with grammar and writing, and we never really it just doesn't work for my son and I, my fifth grader and I. So we're going to try to do that course for the co-op. So the curriculum for that came in today, and I'm going to share that with you, my friends, of what he's going to be utilizing for that for the co-op this year. And also, he's not doing reading at the co-op. I did purchase a reading program, a reading that we was going to do at home, but I figured we're going to do reading at home, but we're going to do it the same reading that the co-op is utilizing, but we're going to do it at home. And I'm also going to incorporate some other things to go along with that. I haven't figured out everything in details yet. I'm still working on it, but I'm letting you, mommy friends, know as it's happening, okay, in real time. Update is he is taking art, he is taking science, and he's taking writing, and he is also taking, I think that's it, art, science, and writing. Oh, he's also doing a study hall. So okay, so we received the bill for how much it's going to be for him to co-op his co-op. I'm not going to say numbers, but it is kind of up there. So for the co-op, a lot of people I don't know if a lot of co-ops are like this. They have a security fee, which is like, okay, but personally, my child's not going outside. Then they also have a copy fee. And then I just learned last week that I had to buy all the curriculum for my child. So I'm like, why do we need a copy fee if we already have to purchase the curriculum? It just doesn't make sense to me. What are you going to be copying? What are they going to be copying? I don't know. It's just like all over the place. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. But I keep telling myself this is my first year and I need to learn the ins and outs. But right now, I'm not liking it that much, mommy friends. I'm not liking it that much. And I'm not, let me pause and say that I'm not liking it, but I feel like I don't like it because it's new. Ooh, I'm sorry. I feel like I'm not liking it because it's new territory. Maybe that's what it is. I'll save this for the children. They're going to love that. Okay. So, here's my Christian books order slip. And so he has a couple orders, a couple books that are on back order, and it will get here 8/11 and 8/5. And I already knew that going into this, so that's another reason why I had to hurry up and order curriculum. That same week, I found out that I had to buy my son a curriculum, and this curriculum was not cheap, mommy friends. I ended up paying like over $170 just for my Christian book order alone. Okay, so let me show you, my friends. So he'll be doing for reading. So for reading, the co-op will be doing Reading Detective. They're doing Reading Detective. I got A1 as Reading Detective, using higher order thinking to improve reading comprehension. Original fiction and nonfiction topics, award-winning literature, a variety of genres and style. So this is what this one looks like. If you mommy friends want to see me do a flip through, just let me know. Here are their other books that they have as well. And this is kind of what it looks like inside. I can't wait to actually go through this book. This is something that they're utilizing as a co-op for reading. So I figured I would do the same thing with my son. Mainly because he probably would be having a full schedule next year at the co-op, depending if I end up liking this co-op. As you can see, I'm on rocky terms right now on how I'm feeling when it comes to the co-op. And I think that's just like the mom in me that I can't like let go. It's seeming like I can't let go or something. So now for his science curriculum. For his science curriculum, they will be doing the, is this BJU Press Science 5. So with this, we had to get the entire kit. So with the reading, I had to get every book other than like the study guide. And me personally, I never bought BJU curriculum because it is so expensive. But this is something that I feel that he needs to start doing, science. So I don't have to teach it. My grandma is a science teacher. I probably should have had her teach him it, but she's kind of retired. But so this is the assignments, Science 5. This is how this looks. And I think everywhere. This is how it's looking in the inside. If you mommy friends want me to do a science BJU Science 5 curriculum for flip through for you mommy friends, just let me know. Just be mindful that I do have to wait for the books, all the books for the BJU Science 5. They all haven't come in the mail yet. How are you mommy friends preparing for this up and coming homeschool year? I still have organization to do, like everything behind me. I'm still trying to get organized. I also have a little bit of more supplies I'm trying to buy for the children. And also, I do want to pick up some. I want to go to the bookstore. I don't know if I'm going to pick up any books. So the next one, this is his writing curriculum, and it's from Jack Krish Publishing LLC, and it is the Global Grammar. I had to get the entire Global Grammar bundle because this is what he will be using in his writing course. This is what it looks like. It's all bundled up, and I kind of do not want to unbundle it. But you have the student manual here. So this is their textbook. You have the workbook, and you also have the teacher's guide. I definitely want to make sure that I had the teacher's guide with this. For the science, I did not order the teacher's guide because I feel that I don't want to really be involved with that. But I do want to make sure that he has the foundation of his grammar, and also I can use this with my daughters because I'm quite sure we may use this if it goes well with my son. We are really looking for a grammar program that he loves to do, that he loves and will enjoy to do. So that's why I picked up this one, Mommy Friends. If you want to see a flip through of this, just let me know, and I would do a flip through of that for you, Mommy Friends, as well. And that is all I've got for my son for his co-op so far. Of course, he's going to need some supplies. I have to restock on supplies inside our home, and I also have to pick up some supplies for him so he can have for when he goes to school on Wednesdays. He'll actually go to the co-op every Wednesday. At first it was Wednesday and Thursday, but now I got it where his schedule is just for Wednesday. And this is going to be a real life-changing experience for us. My son hasn't been to school in a school setting slash drop off in over 3 years. It's been over 3 years since he's been home with me. And I don't know, he's just a child that he actually went to public school, and he also has been home for over 3 years, and he gets to go to a co-op, spread his wings, and I wouldn't say spread his wings, but we'll see how it goes. I have so much anxiety. Like, my heart is just pumping just talking about it. But we're going to have a great school year this year. Things are not how they were last year or the year before that or the year before that. But I know that this school year is going to be a great school year as well. Alrighty, Mommy Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. And please to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I shall see you in the next one, Mommy Friends. Alrighty, bye.